I want to talk about creativity. What does it mean to live our lives in our creativity? Or the bigger question is, do we truly allow ourselves to live in our creativity on a daily basis? And if not, why not? In this video, I would like to talk about why this might be a challenge and what we can do to solve the problem on a daily basis. Stick around to the end of the video where I will share a book that I love. Hey, this is Greg Braun, owner and acting coach at the New Collective Acting Studio, where we teach acting as a primary art form and promote creativity as a way of life. For the professional artist, creativity is legitimate work. But what if you're not a professional artist and just a creative person? Not only is creativity something important to enjoy, it is essential for our well-being and our quality of life. I coach acting, but I know that becoming a better actor entails much more than just working on your craft. Having a relationship with all art forms, whether it's music, painting, sculpture, writing, dance, all of the art forms inform and inspire one another. And living creatively doesn't mean you just have to drop everything and change your whole life. Start small. Start with one thing and take it from there. Go to an art museum in the middle of the daytime after you finish work. Listen to an entire album all the way through just for the sake of enjoyment. Watch a great film at 6 a.m. while you have your morning coffee. Start a sketchbook or a writing journal and carry it around throughout your day. Take a solitary walk and take photographs. Remember that living creatively is about finding your sense of adventure. Listen to the voice of your inner child. Now, here's my book recommendation. It's one of my favorite workbooks on the subject of creativity. It's actually a workbook. Some of you may know the title. Some of you may have it already on your shelf. Some of you may have had it for years. It's been around since the 90s. But it's a book that I love to return to over and over again. Some of you may not know what it is. The book is called The Artist's Way by Julia Cameron. This, to me, is one of the most complete books on how to live your life creatively on a daily basis and how to unblock your creativity. You can do the book in your own way. There's not just one way that you have to do the book. I know many people who have done it, who have started to do it and then put it down, who bought the book and just left it up on their shelf. Maybe you're one of those people. But I highly recommend, whether you have the book or whether you haven't gotten the book or haven't heard of the book, to just give it a shot. And if this is you and you're one of those people that have this book and it's lying on your shelf, I highly encourage you to pick it up again and look into it and read it again and get back into the journaling that she recommends that you do and stay on the path. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more videos like this one. Go to the description below for links to our website as well as my free weekly newsletter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.